This is just too cute not to catch on camera. I think our hiccups are the cutest thing in the world.